Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you find some things you like to watch and you stick around for a while. For all of you people who are coming back, thank you so much. I appreciate it more than I can even tell you. So I have a box here. It's been a while since I've gotten a box that's wrapped in this yellow like this. But I'm going to tell you, this is a company I'd never heard of before. I was scrolling through, who knows, Facebook, Instagram, something, and I came across this, and it was a diamond painting company, and I started looking at it. Let's see if I can get it out of here, right? Started looking through things, and I was like, they have some nice things. They have some pretty stuff. And I didn't know anything more about them. I sent an email to them, and I kind of got the feeling that maybe it was an artist, and I was correct. Oh my goodness. I may never get it out of the box. One moment. Let's get out the big guns. Let's see. Get out my big scissors now. And so I emailed and I asked, and sure enough, this is artists' work that they have created into diamond paintings, which I love that idea. Now, the name of the company is Yulee Art Shop, right? And everything on their site, all the diamond paintings, that was a struggle, wasn't it? All of the diamond paintings are artwork that they created. My box got a little smushed on the journey, but I'm not too concerned about it because I think it's going to be just fine. But they actually have a nice little box, right? I like their box. Got some diamond painting pictures up here. Tells you what's inside. Tells you how to diamond paint on the back. I like it. Pictures on the end of the box too. I'll show you that in a second. So, yeah, when I found out that they were an artist, I said, let me try something. So let's get it out of the box. See, nothing's wrong with it. It's perfect. All right, let me tell you this. You can choose things with this company. So first of all, you can choose what type canvas you want. There were two choices. You could get the Eco Oil Canvas, or you can choose the silk flocking back, right? You can choose your drill type, round or square. You can also choose sizes. So there were all kinds of ways you could customize this to make it just right for you, which I loved. This one cost me $34.99. The shipping was pretty quick. It took 12 days from the time I ordered. My order went through to when I actually had it in my hands. So not bad at all. I'm certain it came straight from the factory in China, but I had to try this. Here's what it looks like. I'll show you the picture, and this is their name. YLJ, Yulee Zhang. And look at how adorable that is. I got it in the 40 by 40 round. It's adorable. They have some really nice things. So it's poured glue. I got the silk backed canvas. We got scalloped edges with, the pokey holes. Let's see. I'm going to roll it backwards, get everything out, and see what else comes with this. Because, I've never seen anything from this company. I've never seen anybody unbox anything from this company. What in the world? Oh my goodness. We have goodies in here. Okay, I'm impressed. All right, so far, what do we have? We have a tray, like a little Mosfa boat. I got ABs. I didn't even know it came with ABs, you guys. Wow, this is awesome. Are you serious? Wow. Oh my goodness. Look at that. So it comes with a pen. Like, that's cool. I wonder if this one glows in the dark. I had one like this. Sorry, it's not focusing. I had one like this in purples, and it glowed in the dark. Glowed in the dark? Yeah. That is cool. And then look at this. Let's grab some of my favorites here, right? We got multi-placers, the metal tips. Wow. Love this, right? And your wax is in there. That is spiff. That's spiff right there. We got all kinds of wax in here. We got like 4 Heart wax is in there. That's a straightener. We got the bent tip. Wow, that's nifty. That's a 6 placer, and this is a 5 probably. Or a 6 and a 9. Sorry, 6 and a 9 and a straightener. Wow. Okay, that's cool. Wow. I'm impressed, right? Okay, that you don't get that with every diamond painting, huh? Okay, let's look at this. It is so stinking cute, right? Look at this legend. Oh my gosh, I love the legend. I thought this size would be plenty large enough to do this image. It's a pretty zoomed in on the tiger, and then the flowers around it. I love it. I see white lettering. I see black lettering. I'm loving that, right? We have sticky glue. We got sticky glue. It has 34 colors. So here's our symbols, our legend. Look how big that is. No problem reading that, right? Now the interesting thing is it has ABs, but I don't know that they're listed on here. But let's see. So it tells us that 310 is an AB. So we'll just have to know that number 1, 310 is an AB. And what's this one? 349. Oh, it's the second one. So number 1 and 2 are both ABs. That's going to go in the flowers. Oh my goodness. Wow, that's a lot of AB too. There's 2 of them. Wow, nifty. I like it. Okay, over here we have our schematic with our size. This is a 40 by 40 round. There's our thumbnail picture and our color list again. What do you think? It's a nice canvas. Look how quickly it laid flat. It's beautiful. I love it. Okay, let's look at the rest of the drills. Then we'll see where the ABs go. I didn't know that it came with ABs, or I didn't remember it if I knew that it came with ABs. We got our pre-bagged drills. Love that about it. I think they were in order here, but you know. Okay, look at all the greens for all that greenery and brown. We got some peach colors here. Got some orangey colors. Love this. Wow. Okay, you guys have to check them out. They had some really neat things. This one just, jumped out at me. I was like, oh, that is adorable. There were some other things I liked though as well. Peaches and browns, our tiger colors, tans. Love it. Wow. And this color is going to be all through those flowers. I bet you money that's going to be all through those flowers. That's going to be pretty. Wow, I like it. Okay. Fast shipping, nice canvas. Artist, Cub and Bloom is the name of it. Artist drawn, painted, whatever they do, whatever their, sorry, I'm not even showing this to you very well. Whatever their medium is, that I'm not certain of, but it is cute as can be, and it is super well done. I really like it. I like it a lot. You guys got to check them out. All right, let's look for the 310, which is the black. Looks like a wrench. Look at, is that a wrench? I think it is. It's a wrench. So it's all through this tiger's face. Like the black lines on its face are that AB, and in its ears and down here we have more of the black AB. There's a little bit down here as well in some of these dark areas. That is cool. I love that. All right, so that's where the black goes. And then we have this pretty, pretty red, 349 red. Focus, focus. It's a lot of red. And it's the heart. So you can see that all of this white right here, that's that red through here, through here. There's going to be plenty. There's going to be more than enough of these. Because if it's just here, 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 and here, that's going to be so many extras. Let's look at the drill field. Let's look up close. What do you think? Like I said, we have white symbols on the dark. We have dark lettering on the light. I love it. This is amazing. And I mean, I just literally stumbled upon it just looking through. Yeah, I think it must have been Instagram. I found this. And you never know. There are so many different companies out there Reminded me of another company that was all artists' work that they made diamond paintings out of themselves. Yeah, pretty cool. I like it. So I think that's going to be just cuter than cute can be. Wow, love it. So I will link them below for sure, and you can go. So there's some 310, regular 310 in this bag, but I don't think we use those, right? I don't think we use those. We just replace those with the AB. I love it. Okay, super cute. Love that. I'll link them below so you can check them out and see if there's something there that strikes your fancy that you like. They had good prices and so many choices. Like seriously, you can pick the type of canvas, type of drills, the size you want. I could have gotten this like really huge, but I didn't do that. I thought 40 by 40 was going to be plenty large enough. So that's what I went with. And I think it rendered perfectly at that size. What do you think? Isn't it cute, right? All right, I'm going to put this all away. And I mean, who wouldn't love this, right? Who wouldn't love that with your diamond painting? I mean, that's amazing. That's amazing. Okay. All right, time for me to clean up, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this because I did. This was fun. A surprise from the beginning when I found it all the way to the end. I just love it. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope you come back later and see more things. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here and you enjoyed this video, okay? I appreciate that. All right. I will talk to you soon, everybody. Check them out. They'll be linked below. Check them out. All righty. See you soon.